Hi guys, it's Miss Lisa, and I'm back out on the porch for porch time, story time. And today's book, look, there's that library sticker covering it up again. It looks like it says Fool Party, but it says Pool Party. And I thought this would be a good one. It's starting to get really warm here in Florida, and I kind of wish I had a pool sometimes. Pool Party by Amy Duchenne and Alyssa Parhad. And the art, the pictures, is by Anne Bentley. Anne Bentley. Look, this even in here reminds me of a swimming pool filled with some water. Let's make sure I get on the right page. This one's from the library. Pool Party. Look at all this stuff. I do kind of live by the beach, so sometimes you see people going on a beach party. There they all go. It says public pool. That means anybody can go use it. Public pool. Here we go. Colorful suits. Floating fruits. Jump on in. Let the party begin. Woohoo! Skip. Hop. Belly flop. Cannonball. Free for all. Diving. Sliding. Underwater gliding. Beneath the blue, tea for two. Leap up high and touch the sky. I bet some of them can do some tricks. We would always have contests to see who could do a handstand. Plunge below, bubble show. Brrr. Blowing bubbles. Fingers pruned, noodles marooned. Warm on the deck, rays on your neck. Gotta put that sunscreen on, huh? Draped in towels, hoots and howls. Popsicles iced, watermelon sliced. Sun-kissed glow, time to go. Pool time ends, goodbye friends. I like the artwork in that. Pool Party. I'm Miss Lisa, and I'll be back for more porch time, story time. Bye-bye. Push the button.